Today we are discussing how today we are discussing how Airtel beat Jio, and as you see, a tough fight it between two telecom giant. And here you can say adjusted gross revenue. Adjusted gross revenue, Airtel is a mark close to Jio. As you see, Airtel revenue stand 23,100 CR, and at the same time, Geo's adjusted revenue is 25,700. Very less difference, and Airtel is the only player who can and compete, or who can and give a fight competition and to the Geo. So we can and details and understanding how Airtel give a fight to Geo. Here Bharti Airtel has a narrow revenue market share gap with the rival Reliance Jio in a fiscal fourth quarter, when the telecom industry adjusted gross revenue grew 1.9% sequentially and 9.7% or to on year to 58,000 crore, with a trend helping offset the drag due to the absence of any major traffic hikes. We are impressed that telecos were able to grow revenue at a healthy pace despite no major change in a traffic, and the premiumization playing out nicely. In financial year 24, our industry Asia are including national long distance revenue rose 8% into 2,34,600 crore, and an ICICI Security reported said. The report added that the Bharti Airtel has been continuously narrowing its revenue market share gap with the Reliance Jio, while a Vodafone Idea a continued code ground. Bharti Airtel revenue market share rose to 37.9%, up 35 basis point sequentially and 139 and basis on year. In a fiscal fourth quarter, this compared with the Reliance Jio or AGR of 42.1% in financial year fourth quarter, up to 3 basis sequentially and 49 basis on year. The AGR including national long distance of Airtel stood at about 23,100 crore for 3-month period, while that of Geo was 25,700 only. Here you just understand thin line difference between in Airtel and Geo adjusted gross revenue. At any time, Airtel can overtake Geo in term of adjusted gross revenue. Airtel incremental adjusted gross revenue on year 2,680 crore versus 2,380 crore for Reliance Jio. Vodafone Idea saw its adjusted gross revenue slip 40 basis points sequentially to 9,400 crore, leading to a shrinking of its revenue market share to 15.4%. Financial struggle from loss Asia are across the all its circle category. Leadership established and other circle reported said. However, the cash trap operator gained market share are in 3 metros, which have been helped by capacity argumentation and clog network of bigger rival, brokerage said. As per the circle-wise analysis by the ICICI Securities, Airtel grew faster in a metro with a sequential growth rate of 3.8%, followed by category B circle which grew 2.5%. C category saw a 2.3% rise, and the category is circle rose 1.8%. In financial year 24, Bharti Airtel lost market share only in one circle, Himachal Pradesh, which saw the depth of a market share win, while on a quarter it lost market share in a seventh circle. Jio on its part witnessed a muted growth of 0.6% in a metro, while category A circle grew at a 1.6%. The company though witnessed 2.3% growth in the category B circle, followed by 1.9 in category C. In financial year 24, Reliance Jio lost a AGR market share in 11 circles. Circle-wise analysis show Reliance Jio is losing ground in Delhi, down 150 basis point on quarter, Mumbai 8 basis point, Uttar Pradesh West 39 basis point, West Bengal 29 basis point, Bihar 43 basis point, Northeast 111 basis point. So we can conclude at any time Airtel can surpass Jio in terms of adjusted gross revenue, and Airtel is the only player who can give a tough fight to Jio. Thank you, friend.